I'm Michelle Chait with Dream Cars Credit. Today we have a 2006 Volkswagen Beetle. Now with its new modern design, the iconic Bug is definitely here to stay. Why don't you come on over and we'll check it out. Due to its small dimensions and lightweight design, the Bug does offer go-kart-like handling and response, so it's really fun to drive. You can see it comes in this nice platinum gray color, and this particular Bug only has 20,000 miles, and according to Carfax, is a one-owner vehicle as well. You can check out those Volkswagen alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin tires. Come around to the back. You can see a very circular theme throughout the exterior of the vehicle. You'll notice it when we take a look inside as well. So although the Bug has small exterior dimensions, the sloping design of the ceiling actually provides for more headroom, so your taller passengers or driver will be more comfortable. Again, you can see the circular theme that I was talking about in the exterior and the interior as well. You've got circular air vents as well as the large circular gauge cluster, the larger speedometer. Also has a nice polished surround, which looks good against the black. The steering wheel and your shifter right here also have this nice texture feel to it. It's got a good grip. The center console houses your Volkswagen audio system. It features an in-dash CD player. You also have your external equalizer controls. Of course, you have your climate, and this car does heat up and cool down quickly. Also have your stability control and your defroster right below your climate. Now this one isn't automatic, but you do have that sport shift option. Again, these are really fun to drive, so throw in that sport shift option for those more spirited driving days. The seats are upholstered in this nice black leather. It is perforated leather, high grade. It's in excellent condition. You've got those back seats as well. Plenty of room back there, surprisingly, despite its small dimensions. You can visit us online at dreamcarscredit.com. There you can view up to 30 pictures of any vehicle, find a map to our location, and even apply for and get approved for credit the same day. You can call us toll-free at 866-604-6030. And if you're ready to test drive that dream car, why don't you come on down and see us. We're located right off Highway 290 East.